Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can turn on or turn off picture gallery merge album on the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. So I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my gallery application. I'm going to open this application guys, and this is how my gallery looks like before I turn on the merge album option. Okay, as you can see guys, I have 3 albums with the same name, and after we turn on the merge album feature, all the albums with the same name will be one album, and I'm going to show you. Okay, remember that I have 3 InShot albums in my gallery, and I'm going to activate the merge album. Okay, to activate the picture gallery merge album, we need to go to the gallery setting. You can click on these 3 lines and then go to the settings, and here you'll be able to activate the merge albums feature. As you can see, the description right here, album with the same name will be shown as a single album. I'm going to activate it. Okay, and I'm going to show you. Okay, and now I only have one InShot album because I have activated the merge album feature in my gallery. And if you want to turn off the merge album feature, you just need to go back to the setting. You can click on these 3 lines and then select these settings, and then you can click on this toggle button to disable the merge albums feature. Okay, and you'll be able to select essential albums as well right here guys. You can show only the albums you select on the albums tab instead of showing them all. Okay, I'm just going to go back, and after I disable the merge album, I have 3 InShot albums in my gallery. They have same name. If you want to make them shown as single album, you just need to activate the merge album in your gallery. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn off or turn on picture gallery merge album on the Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.